Yung experience kasi namin sa household, naubusan kami ng LPG. And then, yun nga, wala kang makita na na open na store. Isa lang kasi yung supplier for the entire town of Calauan. So na-realize namin parang monopolized yung entire town of Calauan by that one brand. So we thought na I think there's an opportunity there na we should open another brand. So kaya yun, nag-decide kami na Petron Gasol would be a very good brand to bring in to Calauan. Residential customers, yung mga household within Calauan, we plan to syempre convert kung sino man yung hindi naka Petron Gasol, and then nearby towns for commercial customers. Merong may existing guidelines for the tank. So, pero ang isa sa mga tina-target ni Petron is yung mga non-branded tanks. Dapat we bring them over to the Petron Gasol brand. So meron campaign for that para kasi hindi safe yung mga non-branded tanks eh. So we want to get rid of them and introduce them Petron Gasol. The price is competitive. Of course, yung presyo ng LPG, it fluctuates, di ba? Now and then, iba-iba ang price niyan. Pero it's very competitive. And what's good about this, Petron kasi is a local brand. Sila lang, Petron lang ang meron local refinery. So the supply is very stable when it comes to Petron. Unlike all other brands na imported yung products nila. This is a Filipino brand with a local presence. Currently, meron kaming dalawang phone number well, ang Pilipinas kasi mahilig mag-text tsaka no? So we have phone number for Globe and Smart, and then meron din kaming email. So we're in the process of putting up a page, Facebook page. Pwede na rin siya mag-message doon. So yun yung mga namin channels to get customers. Of course, palagi namang tayong in the lookout dapat sa sometimes yung problem it's right in front of us. Pero hindi natin alam that problem actually presents an opportunity. So yun nga, we had a problem with LPG before, and then we realized that's an opportunity. So we turned it around and made it an opportunity for us. Fino-Gas kasi is the name of Grace's dad, Josefino. So we took out a portion of that, we made it Fino-Gas. We invite everybody, yung ating mga listeners, viewers, to contact Fino-Gas. We'll be posting our number and our email address there, and then you'll be seeing more of us in Facebook page soon.